What's happening, people? Let me explain what's going on here. This is the intercooler out of our junk truck, which I probably should have put in that other truck to start with, but all that stuff I did not fix that truck. It is still doing the same thing. So I'm gonna take this intercooler, which was working perfectly fine when we took it out of this truck, and I'm gonna put it in that truck and see if that fixes the issue. If not, well, we'll have to look somewhere else, and I already told y'all my opinion on what I thought it was, but we will see. This is what they want to do, so that is what I'm going to do. Let's see if we can get this thing cleaned up a little bit. Turn the water on to my pressure washer. Well, we got it cleaned up fairly good. So we'll get that truck in here and start taking it apart, and we'll go from there. Okay, people, I did something different this time, and I wish I'd done it last time, but I didn't have to take the radiator out. I'm not sure how I missed that on the first go around, but if you pick up on the radiator enough, you can pull that intercooler out. So now I'm going to put the other one back in. I'm just going to stick it up there and hook the pipes up, see what we got, because if it ain't doing what it's supposed to do, then there's no point in putting it all back together. But for right now, I'm gonna put the other intercooler in there and try it out, see what happens. Okay, I got the other intercooler in there, so we're gonna crank her up and see what happens. I think I got everything out of the way. I hate to find out the hard way, but anyway, I'm gonna set y'all here at the tailpipe, because this is where all the action's at, and y'all can see whether or not we did what we were supposed to do. Yeah, I think y'all can see there. All right, give me a second. I'm gonna crank her out. Well, as y'all can see, that did not do anything except for smoke up my shop. But that's the problem we're having. Every time everything's connected like it's supposed to be, you get a lot of smoke. So I don't know what's going on. Okay, I have talked to the other mechanic, and he's saying that he wants me to put it back together minus the air box, and I guess he's going to look a little further into it. So I don't have any conclusion for you other than it's still broke. So we figure out what's going on with it. I'll try and come back and do another video and let y'all know what it was, because I'm pretty damn curious myself. We'll see where he goes from here, or what he comes up with from here, and I will get back in touch with y'all as soon as I know. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll talk to y'all on the next one.